Welcome to the APP2Speak Android tablet demonstration for the custom pages. Custom pages are endless and begin on page 5. Up at the top, slide the green button to the right to turn on the customization. Select an area or a square and tap twice. The settings box pops up. Choose a photo from your library or take a picture within APP2Speak. I will demonstrate using a photo from my library. Select the gallery. Select the picture. Select Done. Now you want to type in a title for your photo. Next, you can create one or more phrases for additional conversation. I will create several sentences to demonstrate. Next, I'm going to type in another sentence, but I'm going to double space or hit the return button twice. Notice the word prediction. Double space again. Then I'm going to save. Save down here at the bottom. Select OK. And then close out.
My dog's name is Onyx. He is part black lab and beagle. He loves to play outside.
To take a picture within APP2Speak, slide the green custom button to the right to turn on the customization. Then select an area or a square and tap twice. The settings box pops up. Then select the camera and take a photo. Select OK. Center your photo. Select Done. Title your photo. This time, I'm going to record my voice. I'm going to select the voice, and then I'm going to record. My son loves Legos. Make sure you stop. Hit save, and then OK. Then close out. Play back your personal voice. My son loves Legos. To move custom photos, slide the green button over to the right to start the customization. Select the photo that you want to move and then the area you want to move it to. Custom pages can also be moved, and you need to turn on the customization button. Select the page number up here on the right, and this is currently page 5, and I will move it to be page 6. And currently it is now page 6. APP2Speak is compatible with the accessibility features within the tablet, such as the external Bluetooth switches, touch accommodations, and low vision. For more information or to schedule a free consultation, please send an email to support@app2speak.com. Thank you.